What do you mean we're doing nothing? We're going to beach day. No, we're not going to beach day. We're going to the beach. I know.
Alright, the first stop on beach day. Where do we gotta go?
Beach.
Well, no, where do we go first? 7-Eleven. For what?
Donuts and chocolate milk.
That's right. 7-Eleven. What are you doing? Eating donuts. What are you doing?
Staring at the ocean.
At the ocean? Oh, nice. What are you doing now?
Drinking chocolate milk.
Drinking chocolate milk? What, do you think it's a chocolate milk factory?
Yeah.
Hey, it looks like the sun's trying to peek out. Hey, little bro.